Local Security Authority protection is off Windows 11 fix. Hey everyone, let's get straight into the video. For the first solution, type here to search for Windows Security. Now right click on the app and go to its app settings. Once that is done, a new tab is open. Scroll down a bit and you will see the reset section. So for this error, you can just tap on reset or repair button. This can be a good solution to this problem. However, if this is not working, you can press Windows R to open the Run tab. Once that is done, search for regedit. This will open your registry editor and you have to give access to it by typing yes. Once that is done, a new tab will open. On that tab, you have to click on the third option, which is HKey Local Machine. Once that is double tapped, you will see different options. Hereby, click on System. You can double tap it and it will open. Here now choose on Correct Control Set. And then you can go to Controls. Now you have to scroll down a bit and you will see a section called as LSA folder. Double tap on it and you will see different kind of applications or file on the right side. Here you should also see a file name Run as PPL. You just have to double click on it and there you will see a tab with the value. Once that is done, you have to change that value into 2 and click on OK. After that, restart your device, or what you can do is right click on the screen, go to New and then click on dword 32-bit value and you have to name it as Run as PPL BOOT. Then you have to click on OK to save it and restart your device. This step should probably solve the issue or protection of a problem. However, if this does not seem to work, the last option that you can do is you can go to your Windows Update section and uninstall all the previous updates that had been done on the device. Well, this was it for today. For more such contents, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.